There's a lot of ways to step into your power. So why do we talk about impact? Why does it matter? Well, there's two reasons. One, humans have this very deep desire to make life matter. Don't we want to feel like there's some significance to this whole thing? Don't you want to feel like it matters? Humans have a deep core desire to feel like there is purpose. In fact, people who struggle with self-doubt and apathy and hopelessness and even existential crisis, it's because they so often do not feel meaning or purpose in their life. So that's number one. Number two, when you harness your powerful impact, that's when you get the life you want. That's when you get the relationships, the marriage, the connections to your kids. That's when you become a great leader who gets unprecedented outcomes and inspires teams and motivates people. That's when you get great energy and vitality. And that's when you can strip away the stress and the struggle that so many people feel like they're stuck in. That's how you get the life you want.